Mandera County Livestock Demonstration Farm. And where we are right now is where we are giving training to the farmers for dairy farming using different breed than the local breeds. We have Sahiwal cattle here and Fresian right now, and crossbreed of the two. And what you see here is 28 number in the cows, and we started with 12, and they're doing very well. They have adapted to the environment, and a lot of farmers are getting to find out now, instead of keeping hundreds that cannot produce enough, it will be enough. These farmers along the riverine will be able to keep just a few and be able to look after them for more milk production than if they had 100. We tried it to just see whether they can adapt to this environment, and we're extremely happy to report now that they're doing very well. And this process is now 3.5 years old and is doing extremely well. I am personally motivated to start dairy farming myself in order to serve as an example to the other local farmers to also see that this is doable, and so that we can have sufficient supply of milk in this town. We've tried it, we've seen it is working. The next issue is we want to maybe try and introduce few farmers to keeping of this livestock. Then the other farmers will be able to borrow, in terms of the ideas and the dairy farming concept that we are trying to give. God willing, our intention is to make sure the riverines are able to keep enough dairy cows of this breed, in order to make sure that we're able to enhance milk production for the population along the river, including Mandera Town, Ramu Town, and Ramudim too, and Hulo up to Malkamari, along the riverines where there is plenty of pasture for these cows.